to the Carl Chiropractic Clinic. I'm Dr. Ken Carl. We prepared this brief video to introduce you to our office and help answer some of the questions you may have concerning chiropractic care.
Dr. Carl grew up in Sarasota, attended the University of Florida, and graduated from the Palmer Chiropractic College. He's active in church and community affairs and is an avid Gator fan. Your first visit at our office will be similar to the first visit to any other doctor's office. We will obtain a detailed history during our initial consultation, and a comprehensive exam will be performed. The examination consists of chiropractic, orthopedic, and neurological tests. The results of these tests will help in assessing the nature and severity of your condition. In some instances, a surface electromyogram may be performed to determine the location and severity of muscle spasms. If indicated, we will take digital x-rays, and if we feel further tests or evaluations are necessary, we will refer you to the appropriate specialist. X-rays help to determine if any abnormalities or subluxations exist. These are safe and very important in making an accurate diagnosis. Subluxations, or misaligned vertebrae, could possibly pinch some of the nerves that exit the spine at 24 different levels.
These are x-rays of the lower back or lumbar spine. Note the arrow on the x-ray on the left. This shows that the hole where the nerve exits the spine is smaller and pinching the nerve. This is commonly caused by a misaligned vertebrae in the spine. This is not a normal or healthy condition. Common symptoms are lower back pain, pain down the leg, known as sciatica, or even numbness or tingling into the back or leg. Now look at this x-ray and notice how the holes where the nerves exit the spine are the same size. This is normal. Many of these conditions can be corrected using conservative chiropractic care. All areas of the spine can be affected by vertebrae misalignments. Here are two x-rays of the cervical or neck region. Note the lack of the curve on the left x-ray. This condition is known as military neck. When the normal curve is lost, many types of symptoms may appear. Examples are dizziness, headaches, neck pain, shoulder, arm, and hand pain, and the loss of the curve in the neck can be a serious problem. The x-ray on the left is an example of the loss of the curve of the neck. The x-ray on the right, the same person after 2 months of conservative chiropractic care, and the cervical curve restored and the patient's symptoms much improved.
The chiropractor considers the spinal column to be a very important part of the human anatomy. It is made up of 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae, the sacrum, and the coccyx. The sacrum sits between the ilium or hip bones, and the coccyx is attached to the sacrum. The adult spine contains 24 movable vertebrae that are separated by 23 discs made primarily of cartilage. These discs act as kind of a shock absorber to the many stresses that the spinal column undergoes in day-to-day work or play.
After your first visit, I will analyze your x-rays and correlate the findings with the results of your examination and the information obtained during your consultation. We will also do an initial treatment at that time. During your second visit, I will discuss your condition with you. We want you to fully understand your condition and will answer any questions you have that might obtain to the problem. We will go over the findings from the examination as well as the x-rays. We will also discuss a treatment plan, which is determined by your age, your weight, the severity of the condition, and how long you've had that condition. After you understand your condition, a series of chiropractic treatments called an adjustment will be recommended. This non-invasive treatment has been shown in government studies to be the most effective treatment for neck pain, back pain, and headaches.
Most chiropractic conditions we treat involve a subluxation of the spine. A subluxated or misaligned vertebrae, as noted here, can result in a pinched nerve going to the various parts of the body. This may cause pain or numbness and can even affect the organs such as the heart, stomach, or even the sinuses. The pinched nerve caused by the subluxation or misaligned vertebrae is corrected by adjustments to the specific area of the spine. Don't be concerned if you hear an audible clicking sound during your adjustment. This is completely normal and is just the sound of the bone moving back into place. Other procedures are frequently used in conjunction with the spinal adjustments to help speed up your return to health. Physical therapy, such as ultrasound or electric muscle stimulation, helps to reduce tension and muscle spasms, relieve pain, and helps repair damaged tissue. Therapeutic massage at the Carl Chiropractic Massage Clinic helps to improve circulation, ease pain, lower blood pressure, increase flexibility, and lower stress levels. Our staff of licensed massage therapists provides personalized, effective massage Monday through Saturday. We offer 30-minute or full-hour massage tailored to your specific needs. Most massage is covered by insurance. Your actual cost is often only your copay. Determination of whether one or more of these therapies is used is made on a case-by-case basis. At the conclusion of your second visit, you'll have the opportunity to set up your schedule of care. We will contact your insurance carrier to determine the extent of your coverage. Our insurance specialist will be happy to explain your benefits and file your claims for your treatment.
We want to be your #1 pain reliever. We strive to make your visit in this office a most pleasant one. The Carl Chiropractic Clinic is committed to providing excellence in chiropractic through the loving, healing hand of God.